Trentham Architects. The project in New Parliament Arms, we were looking at a number of very simple, basic materials that we want to express for their quality as a material itself. So we were looking at very simple brick, normally blue, and we were looking at galvanised steel and larch, Siberian larch that was untreated. And the combination of these materials was critical to the design because it would give it a very natural organic feel, and the greying of the galvanising would also match the oxidisation of the larch. The project itself was mixed use, so it was an old pub. We retained the A use at the front, and then we developed the upper floors into flats, and we had some live works at the rear. What's really successful about the project is that the live works at the rear and the A use at the front have now become this little design community. So we've got another architect that has actually moved into one of the live work units. There's an artist that's moved into someone else, one of the other units. A builder has moved into the shop unit, and a upholsterer has moved into the other shop unit. So you've got this lovely little community, and they all really think the building's amazing as well as we do. So it's kind of, it's kept its life, it's kept its philosophy, and they really responded to the fact that it's got this innate, natural feeling and detailing.